Are you sick and tired of getting trash response on ChatGPT? Are you tired of everybody else getting these amazing responses and results and becoming AI millionaires? Well, let me tell you, it is not your fault. It is the prompts. And today I have got the best prompts in order for you to get the best output. AI is like a high performing sports car, but 99% of people are using it like a golf cart. Well, guess what? Today we're throwing out those weak generic prompts. I'm giving you the best AI prompts that will completely shift how you think, work, and create. This video is going to make you so dangerous in the best way possible. Listen up. I don't care if you've never used AI before. If you think that prompting is some mysterious dark art, or if you're convinced that you're just not tech savvy enough, we're going to change all of that. And you're going to walk away feeling like an absolute AI rock star. Whether you're an overwhelmed entrepreneur or a side hustler trying to save time, a content creator stuck in burnout, or someone who wants to look like a genius without spending years learning, this video right here is your secret weapon. But let me warn you, once you use these, you won't want to go back to basic. But before we dive in, let me hook you up with the best free resources of what to do after this video. It's called The Grow, my weekly newsletter for dreamers, creators, and entrepreneurs who want to grow and build smarter lives with financial time and location freedom. Each issue includes a minute insight to help you grow your content, business, or mindset, a powerful AI prompt like the ones in this video, but exclusive to my newsletter subscribers, my latest content drop, a quick win you can apply in the week, and a tool or an idea that I am absolutely obsessed with. It's just like a growth focused pep talk, plus a strategy in your inbox. Trust me, you'll want in. You can easily sign up to the Grow newsletter using the first link below. Let's make you look like a genius with AI. So let's get into the first AI prompt. I'm using ChatGPT 4.0. Whatever's your favorite, be sure that you use the one that knows you the best. Now, if you currently use my AI content creator toolkit the most, go ahead and check out the easy prompts so you don't have to copy and paste or do these extensively long prompts because they're already within the tool. First is the expert persona prompt. So let's just go in and type, act as an expert, insert your profession here with 20 years of high-level experience. You've trained Fortune 500 teams and built $1 million plus brands. Now help me specific goal by providing a 3-part strategy, visual roadmap. Take a look at the prompt here and let's see how it works. Wow, amazing, right? Now on for the next prompt. Let's do a prompt to find your brand identity. So I'm going to copy and paste in the prompt and feel free to screenshot right now. Now take a look. Everything from my voice to tone, the mission, even the hex colors. Now this is amazing for a brand strategy. Okay, now let's say you've got a lot of things going on and you're trying to figure out how to manage it all. We're going to go to a ADHD-friendly productivity system. Check out this prompt. Design a productivity system for someone with ADHD who's building a content business while managing home life. This includes morning and evening routines and weekly review checklists, and it even has dopamine rewards. So, an easy prompt to get back to this in the AI Content Creator Toolkit, all you have to do is say real life workflow creator, because hey, we all have real lives. One of my favorite prompts is how to master a skill in 90 days. We always have something in our heads or in our minds saying we want to get to this particular goal by the end of the year. You know, the beginning of the year, we set those gregarious goals and we have these boisterous ideas. And by month 1 or 2, it's all over. Well, in 90 days, we want to level it up. So check out this prompt. I want to master a skill, put in the topic in 90 days, create, and then it gives us a list. Now, check out what we get out of this. Even a weekly learning plan, daily habit checklist. And all you have to do to get all of this, if you're using your credits in the AI Creator Toolkit, is 90-day learning script. Okay, we all are multifaceted, right? And we have multifaceted friends. However, most of our friends don't have a clue about what we're doing, and we don't either. But what if we can have a little panel of experts to help us out? So, we're going to go to the multi expert brainstorming panel prompt. I'm stuck on a problem. Actually, place the problem, create a panel of a mindset coach, a growth strategist, and a tech expert. And look at what we get. Oh my goodness. Okay. Y'all, this is fire. Each gives their point of view and it gives us an action plan. And if you're using the toolkit, you can get straight to this prompt by going to Expert Roundtable Generator. Sometimes we need a brutally honest expert. Have you ever used ChatGPT or any other AI tool and it seems to agree with every single thing that you say? Well, this prompt is going to be brutally honest with you. Check it out. Here's mine, and then put your content, your idea, or your script, and give me, and then look at what we get. We get a one sentence hook critique. And look at all of this other information here that we get. Oh, wow. This is so helpful for whenever we're creating content or we're just having an idea. So, in order to get here directly from your toolkit, all you have to do is put in high impact feedback engine. And here's the last prompt of the day: future proof strategy plan. None of us have a crystal ball. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, right? But if you could get a little bit of insight as to what's going to happen between now and the next 3 years, wouldn't it be helpful? Check out this prompt. Based on the trends from 2025 to 2028 in whatever your industry is, here are the three shifts that impact me. Look at this. Here's where you can find the shifts and the changes that will impact you. This even gives you a 30-day pivot plan. Now, where else do you get this? This is amazing and it's so helpful. And if you're using the AI Content Creator Toolkit, all you have to do is put in the AI Trend Strategist. Wow. Tell me those were not the most fire prompts that you have seen for free. People are charging for this, so make sure that you sign up for the Grow newsletter, where you'll get more prompts just like this, exclusive to you newsletter subscribers. Or you can make sure that you jump into the AI Content Creator Toolkit, where you get prompts like this and hundreds more. If you love these prompts, drop it in the comments and let me know which prompt you love the most. And if you didn't see your favorite prompt here, put it in the comments and let me know, and I would do my very best to make a prompt just for you. Now, this is how you build smarter, not harder. AI is not here to replace you, it is here to amplify you, but you have to know how to use it. So make sure you subscribe for more freedom building strategies. You don't need a $2,000 course to win with AI. You just need better input, stronger tools, and a little momentum. That's why I made the Grow and the AI Content Creator Toolkit. The Grow gives you weekly motivation, inspiration, and exclusive prompts. The toolkit gives you actual systems to build, grow, and sell smarter. Grab them both in the description. Like this video if it opened your eyes, comment your favorite prompt, and subscribe if you're building your freedom-based business this year. Now go prompt like a pro, and I'll see you next week. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.